Ahoy hoy! Saturday evening here. Lots of work done in the last 4 days on the great guitar build off. Didn't start so well. So where we left off, I'd smoothed out the neck. I'd routed out a nice inlay place for the razor blades at the 12th. Mixed a little bit of red, maybe too much. Let's see what happened when the inlay resin dried. Well, there we go. It didn't dry, and that was a bit of a problem. Yes, so I chipped that out, and then I ordered some more resin, and that turned up. So I decided to clean off the razor blade, and got all the resin off it. I thought, give it a little bit of a polish so it looks super nice when we put it back in. And I put it under the buffing wheel, and then I turned it round in my hand and under the buffing wheel, ding! And for the life of me I couldn't find it. But Gavin, didn't you buy two at the same time? Yes, I did. I'd lost the other one previously, so I am now waiting for 2 more razor blade earrings to turn up so I can inlay them. Surely you can do something in the meantime. Yes, so I did. The job I've been dreading, because I've seen guitars where people have done it wrong badly, is the neck pocket. What do you mean a bad neck pocket, Gavin? You can't get a neck pocket wrong. Yes, you can. I used Christopher's method of putting flat bits of MDF to the side of the neck on top, clamping it down, Anyway, here's what happened when I was routing the neck, all to see here.
It works. That is pretty damn good. That fulfills Christopher's test. Can you pick up the body using just the neck and no screws or glue? That's a tight fit. That's the biggest thing in this job that I have been definitely frightened of. So now, it's just plain sailing, I reckon. The job for me next is neck. That clearly needs to move down quite a bit, so we've got a lot more access to all the frets. Shape this. Oh, it's going to be beautiful. And of course a bit of routing in here, but that I can probably do next as I've got the drill out.
Well, what else have I done? Marked up all the positions for things, bent the Fretwire, that's fun. What else? I've got a microphone stand so that when I get a microphone cable to fit the camera, it'll be better sound. I've also jerry-rigged up a tripod in the workshop so that it won't be wobbling around all over the place. I also bought a selfie stick. Seems to work, and I've changed all the settings on the camera. Unfortunately, there is quite a few videos already uploaded and ready for the future where everything will be jiggly. I'm sorry. Can't you get a better camera phone? Better than this? This is perfect. Lighting's better today. This is why. Have a look at the current setup. Yes, that's right. So presently my camera has a funny little, well, it's got a beard on it. The the light in the back is a professional light which costs money for videoing and vlogging and all that business. The one that's working, of course, is a workshop light which probably costs half as much and is twice as bright. So you pay him, oh, and it's a lot tougher. Pay your money, you take your choice. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. See you all soon. Enjoy the weather while we've got it. Go and do your gardening. I've also cleaned all my gutters on the roof. My neighbour reckons I have to clean the car, but it's MOTs in October. No need to clean it before then. Take care.